Okie dokie. Time to do test number 1.
Wait. That's all weird. Wait. So that means that we can do the baseball thing now. Because this has extra melee range. That beat is so fast. Alright.
Are you ready? 3, 2, 1.
Oh. Oh my god, it's actually working. Oh my god, it's actually working.
Now let's try with explosives.
Oh my gosh, the extra melee range does so much for this weapon.
Oh no.
Ow.
Oh. This guy timing.
It's hard to see with this remote.
Yeah, so it's just timing now. Oh.
Oh. Too low.
You got this.
Okay, I did it.
Yeah, explosives are a lot harder to swing rather than just a brick. Brick!
Hold on.
Brick! Brick! Oh,
damn it.
time.
Small range though.
Why is your character making that face? Ooh, okay, crits. Crazy.
Hey!
Where are you? Alright, show me your cool spray.
Where did we go so wrong?
There we go, it's gone now.
No!
Hey. I like how Scout can do that in this game. Why isn't this in the base game where you can just drop the soda for other players?
Did you actually download Corn onto your computer?
What do you think?
Yeah, imagine this heavy coming towards you. Not very scary, right? But then...
Run straight at me. Oh, Market Garden. Uh-oh.
I'm gonna go mess around with... Correct. You. Yes, you. Nah! I can't get it. Dang it. Gotcha. I think I'm
You can air
practiced with
blast
that.
these things.
There we go.
Yeah. Hold on. I have to strafe a bit better.
No!
Alright, let's try it again.
No!
Okay, I'm out here.
No!
No. Alright, let's see if you can air blast me now.
Oh, it's because he had the man shreds.
Yeah, the man shreds prevents it, I guess. Well, I'm gonna go put them back on.
Get back here.
Oh, whoop, I fucked up the rocket jump.
Hiya. I have to go through all the trouble just to upload that one photo. You know, I was considering doing it too. Can I snipe you out of the air with this one? Ah.
Yeah.
Piss. Where are you?
Oh, I'm in my spawn.
Come back here.
Messing around
I'm gonna
with.
try and hit you in the air with my bowling ball.
Alright. Ooh, that was awesome. That was a perfect chain jump. I did take a bit of fall damage, though. Bro, the market gardener is so funny. I'm glad I know how to use this now. I'm not going back, man. This is awesome.
The freaking bowling ball.
This makes me want to. This makes me want to use the mace in Minecraft, the rocket jump and all that stuff.
Yep.
That demo's a bloody spy!
Oh, you still hit me. I was like, where are you?
Oh my god, Demo Man jump scare. Bro, Demo Man with the rocket jumper, not the rocket jumper, the market gardener, he kind of hits hard, man. Oh, holy shit.
You hear the revving behind you. Dude, why does Heavy hold a brick like this? The lag is crazy. You. Yes, you. Brick.
Oh, man.
Brick.
I'm out of here. That fucked it up.
I keep screwing it up too.
Oh, man.
Uh-oh.
Rocket Jordan. Why does he yell every time he throws a for you?
I'm just throwing bricks at your dead corpse. That's it. Lead pipe. I'm lagging. Lead pipe. Oh, that's
Oh, I hit a ceiling thing? What the heck? I hit a column on the ceiling. I want to see how far I can actually launch myself.
Boom. Ow. Ouch.
Especially with the fact I could actually aim.
No. No. Whoop. Hey man, I need a second.
This corpse is so funny.
I just gotta think, man. Give me a moment. Going to stab you. Stab.
Ow.
Stab. I'm like Britain. Stab, stab. It's like Meet the Sniper. Man, you are still bleeding.
I swear, if I see another teammate join, I'll be so happy.
Hunt down the Freeman.
Hunt down the Frenchman. What? Wait, what does that entail? Hold on, let me look at the achievements thing. Player stat. No. Is there? Where is the achievements thing?
Expose an invisible escapee spy by damaging him.
How did you do that? You are the spy.
With my apologies.
Just throwing 1,000 bricks at you. Come on, fist fight me.
Fist fight you. Alright.
Uh-oh, lag. Oh no, never mind. This thing drains your health after a certain amount of time. Oh. I'm lagging. I'm lagging. I'm lagging. I'm lagging. You. Brick.
Oh boy. The market garden for all market gardens. What is that taunt?
Medic!
So that way you can actually predict my movements and stuff. Look at you go.
No!
You knew it was coming. You saw it too. You saw the final moments before Spy died.
Mm.
With my apologies.
No! That was a close one. Oh, he dodged. Does he know? He does.
Medic!
It's the Matrix, bro. You.
Eee.
Oh. Stop taunting, Pyro. You're gonna die.
Wait, why did I taunt? What the heck?
Burn.
I like.
Wait, look at the cool animation. Man. Cause baby,
fuck.
you're a firework. Just waddles away. Dude, hold on. Let me see that in fast motion. You waddling. It looked like he's playing Minecraft. You and those big boots. Oh no.
I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. And I'm not feeling it.
Oh no. Now I know what you're doing. Oh, that's Sparks.
I require assistance.
I'm reminded of
Oh!
Goober again.
Goober dodge is like the Matrix.
But can you dodge this? You can. It's
Oh my
literally
God.
just like the Matrix.
Ooh.
Oh.
I can still whack you, boy. He didn't like, dude, you look like a goober.
Some assistance, please.
I just shot you right in the crotch. I was gonna say dick. But... Alright, let me get back to spy. Oh, whoops, I messed up the jump. Hold on. Let me get back over here, and... Oh, god dang it! Over here, over
Alright, ready?
here.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, whoa. Too slow. Oh my god. That was awesome.
What just happened? Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1. Touch that! What are you doing? Oh yeah! Surely he doesn't predict my movements. Where'd he go? Okay. Oh my god!
I tried to take care of the sentry for you.
Oh!
Fight to the death.
Medic! Proceed, shall we?
I'm sorry, didn't mean to do that.
It's fine.
We're gonna hold this point. Hopefully our team can take care of this.
First blood.
Alright, watch out, watch out. There's a scout coming up, I think.
I am melting!
Oh boy.
No! Medic!
Doctor!
I know who could do this. I may have done the wrong idea.
Run! Go invisible. I'm not there anymore. You don't have to worry about me.
Does he know?
He doesn't.
4, 3, 2, 1. Control point enabled.
Did you just teleport all the way over there?
Yeah, I equipped the crossbow. Oh, I hit somebody. Oh boy. Oh boy.
Someone needs to take out that medic.
Much appreciated, Doctor.
Murder! Oh boy. Alright, where are you? I'm looking for you. Ooh boy.
Oh, he knows. I'm okay.
3,
There you are.
control point enabled. Get going.
How did that not backstab? There. Where are you? No, there was a second spy!
I probably could have survived that round if I just literally did the thing right. Not right click on the Uber saw.
You don't scare me.
Scout to not happen.
Where are you?
Get out of here, you slippery scout. Oh.
Ooh, I'll take care of the sentry. Watch out. Does he know? What is he doing?
Wait, that's a spy!
4, 3,
That was the real one.
1. Control point enabled.
I'm gonna stab you to death.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh god, how fast am I gonna be?
Fight to the
No, no, no. You did.
You're literally outrunning me. You're outrunning me, I can't catch up.
Me too. How do I have crits?
I don't. Oh, because it's first blood. Wait, there's a spy! Watch this dramatic death.
That gun!
Hey, guess what?
2, 1. Fight.
Oh my god!
We both have chainsaws now. I am heavy weapons medic, and this is my weapon. Oh my god, I'm outrunning you. I have to give you max overheal.
Alright, ready? Jump!
Go!
No! Leave him alone! Leave him alone.
I have self-healing. Don't worry.
I'm tanking it. Get out of here.
Oh boy. Oh boy.
Just hold on.
Just hang in.